A path to regenerative society requires us to recognize that the future is no longer about profit and that we must invest in the people and the planet to have a sustainable transformation for the future.
Fujitsu, we focus on 5 core technology to help the customer to drive towards XX. In Southeast Asia, we have a presence in all the countries, and we believe by forming out the ecosystem within the country and within ASEAN by working with the customer at the country level, at the region level, and also the government, and this has helped the customer to accelerate the collaborations between the company in ASEAN.
To drive to sustainability transformation, we need to have like a top management to have aspiration in order to drive these issues to the company. I love the first track about the AI data that related to like a sustainability, because actually we can bring this use case or this initiative or technology to apply for our business as well.
One of the key things that excites me about your event today is that it is not focused on just technology or cybersecurity, which we're all in, but it really talks about sustainability and looking at and thinking about programs outside of the cyber or outside of technology, and really looking at what programs we can incorporate and think about for our clients or for society in general.
Bagi perusahaan kami, saya rasa ini cukup menarik ya. Kedepannya kami juga berniat untuk mengembangkan sustainability ini di dalam perusahaan kami.